Hi everyone, welcome to Saas Beast Pro. Today we're going to show you how to free up space on Dropbox in a quick and easy way. This video will help you clear unnecessary files so you can manage your storage more efficiently. Step 1. Go to Dropbox and log into your account using your email and password, because you need access to your dashboard to manage files and storage. Step 2. Click on All Files from the left panel. This section shows every file and folder stored in your account, making it the best place to start reviewing what's using space. Step 3. Review the list of files and folders in your account carefully. Look for large or unused items, since these usually take up the most storage. Step 4. Select the file or folder you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to it. This allows you to choose exactly what you want to delete. Step 5. Select multiple files or folders if needed by checking more than one box, which helps you free up more space faster instead of deleting items one by one. Step 6. Right-click on the selected file or folder and click Delete. This moves the items out of your main storage and into the Deleted Files area. Step 7. Click on Deleted Files from the left panel. This section stores removed items temporarily and still counts towards storage until cleared permanently. Step 8. Select the deleted files or folders you want to remove permanently. This step is important because it ensures the files are completely erased. Step 9. Click Delete permanently on the right-hand side. This action frees up the storage space used by those files. Step 10. Enter your account password to confirm the final deletion. This security step confirms that you really want to remove the files forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Beast Pro for more helpful tutorials like this.